Hello and welcome to Saxon Lesson 33, Adding and Subtracting Integers. You can see on the sheet in front of you I've got a couple of things. I honestly can't stand these because minus and negative, just easier to rewrite. So when you see this negative 12 in parentheses, it's just going to be a negative 12. Minus and negative is the same thing as positive, so negative 12 plus 5, really. Plus 3 in this case gives us an answer of negative 9. And then let's take a look at negative 3 minus a negative 12. So that becomes a negative 3 minus a negative is the same thing as plus. Negative 3 plus 12 gives us 9. Let's look at another one. What if we had a negative 12 minus a positive 3? That just looks like negative 12, not a plus sign. Negative 12, come on, minus 3. How about we just do this and erase it all? Negative 12 minus 3 gives us a negative 15. Or to whet our appetite, we have negative 3 minus a positive 12 is minus 12 in this case, which gives us a negative 15. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is our thing. Lesson 33, 1 through 20. Good luck.